Hey, Deranged Duncan is finally here with a video. It's been a few weeks. I know, stories to tell. You'll hear all about it with Comikaze, the big fuck up and everything, but I'm at some collectibles show. Some Frankensons collectible, and there's some people that are here. First off, we got a familiar face to a lot of people. Oh, shit.
What's up, dude?
What's going on, man?
It's been a while since we kicked it in the video.
I can't even tell you the last time we did it. Like
a month,
Days of the Dead,
two months ago. It's been a while. Hit and miss with schedules. That's what happens.
Yeah, hit and miss with schedules, wrestling events, all kinds of shit. But now we're fucking here.
We're gonna go crazy to get some cool autographs. I know that.
Oh man, got that plan. Also update you on everything. I got a Comikaze.
You got a bunch of good stuff.
But we cannot leave out somebody else.
No.
Holy shit, from Sterling Entertainment himself.
How's it going? How are you?
That's what I'm talking about.
Hey.
It's excited to be here with you
Hell
guys.
yeah.
He's ready. Did they ask you to sign anything, man?
No, I keep a low profile.
Low profile. Look at that
pro.
necklace that he's got there going. That's
Yeah.
pretty cool.
And
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, dude. It was funny. We saw you like in one of the parking lots over here. We're pulling out, and you're kind of like.
Yeah.
What are the odds?
We saw you right there.
And we didn't want to get towed or nothing because you know, they're very strict everywhere. I mean, as you can see,
here.
everyone's still looking for parking.
It took us like, what, 40 minutes to find parking? And then we went over here and we found it like real quick.
We did.
There's more people. I haven't seen as many people here ever before. It's crowded.
It's ridiculous.
Because the guests, dude.
The guests.
Yes.
That's right. There's a hit right there. Woo,
we have a booth. We both got a booth. We're doing autograph signs today.
That's right.
Not really, but yeah. but some cool guests inside this thing, though.
A mixture of, well, should we tell them? Horror, wrestling.
Horror, wrestling, dude.
There's even a Glee guest here. Who the fuck watches Glee? Sorry if you're a Glee fan, but I'm not.
Glee guest here?
Yeah. Oh, well, we'll find out. Time to go on inside. You guys ready?
I'm ready.
Let's ready.
do it.
Let's do this right now.
Hey, like Gang Fest.
It should have
Gang
Fest.
Fest.
It should have Gang Fest, yeah.
But then look at these Hall of Famers you have coming here next week.
Dude.
Holy shit. This is what
Danny Tomlinson, Emmett Smith, Howie Long.
This is what Frankensons is known for. Wow, Tommy Lasorda coming here. Holy fuck.
Wow, dude, check out wrestling vintage 1995 style.
Hell yeah, and then you got some Attitude Era style here, although it's got the WWE logo. Blue.
Oh, it does. I know it's WWF.
Right?
Look at that, dude. That's so fucking sick. Look at that Jake the Snake.
Got all kinds of cool figures here. Shit.
Look at this. Got a little mini like belt thing right there.
Got some autograph honky tonk.
Oh, wow. Here we go. WWF right here. Look at this. WWF.
Oh, there we go.
That's sick, man. Look at the old WCW stuff. Like toy belts.
Oh,
That's
so
man.
cool.
That is rad, man. That's sick.
Nostalgia.
Look at
Nostalgia.
the Razor Ramon Yokozuna. Oh, wow.
Oh.
Oh, man, dude. Look at this. Is just covered with autographs. This one.
Oh, wow. This is a WrestleMania.
WrestleMania. This must be all the wrestlers on that thing.
That is so cool.
Holy.
Whoa, this is our big reunion right here. The New World Order. Too sweet.
But,
there they all are over there. Look at that. We'll be there very shortly for the NWO. Wow, we got Scott Hall, Kevin Nash right here at the beginning. The original outsiders, the guys who started it all. Holy shit.
It'd be funny if we dressed up as the insiders here.
The insiders, oh my god.
That'd been funny as hell.
Oh, the BWO would have been genius.
We were dressed up like that.
I love that shit. Oh, that guy. I love it. He is the man.
That's cool.
Appreciate it, man.
Hell yeah, dude.
Gotta know. We got Vinny Vegas here. We got a Diamond Stud. Where's the EDP at, man?
Holding it down in Atlanta.
Hold it.
That's what it is.
I love it, man.
That's
Fucking
cool,
awesome.
I
man.
live about 2 blocks from there.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, that's cool, man. Me and my son got a small place there. We moved up from Florida and started the rest of the career. It's going great, yeah, it's going great.
I'm loving it, dude. Shit.
Things are good.
I'm doing good and everything.
Yeah, he's heading to Japan at the end of the year. No, train.
Good friends, better enemies.
But Sean let you keep a prosthetic leg after that.
It was hardcore before there was hardcore.
That was shit, dude. I love that.
I love that fucking match.
My favorite era right there, man. It's awesome stuff. Love that, dude. So Chris, man, this is crazy. Or what? You geeking out, dude? Look at you guys. Check out this.
We got the bad guy razor on.
Yeah, brother.
And we also got Big Daddy Cool.
Oh, man, so perfect because that's a great match. Oh,
perfect, man.
There he's taking a picture of you right there. Whoa, whoa, it's right there.
Oh fuck, cameras everywhere.
It's insane.
It was fun seeing you at House of Hardcore, though.
Yeah, that was good.
Oh, down in San Diego?
Yeah, we were there.
That was a fun time.
That was fun, man.
That was a fun time, man.
Did you have a blast with Keish and all them?
Oh, yeah. Boy Rodman was in there.
Yeah,
he
was
was
there for a
there.
brief second when
We
we
saw
were there.
him walking around, and that was it. It was gone.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Still bummed to this day when I was watching WrestleMania 10 on pay-per-view and they pulled the 10-man tag from that shit.
Yeah, well, because these guys took all their bogeyed all the time.
Oh, that's what it was. Oh, yeah, that's what it was. They took all the time.
Hopefully the...
Oh, yeah, I got 10 grand.
Oh, okay. Fuck it. You better make sure you get paid for that, dude.
Shit.
He's nice.
Give him a little...
Really nice.
I wish it was like that back when, because
business is spark.
they had it for good competition.
World, you know?
I mean, they had it for good competition back when. And now they don't have that.
Right?
And it's like, you know what I mean? It's not the same anymore.
Especially...
And so it kind of sucks. Like the characters aren't the same, and the way they're doing it now, it ain't the same.
That's why I love the indies so much these days, man.
Yeah.
Woo. Holy shit.
That's killer, bro.
It is the fucking Batmobile from Batman Returns by Tim Burton. Holy shit, this is a thing of beauty right here to see in person. Wow. And then right next to this Batmobile, we have the old school Batmobile here from the old Batman TV show.
Look at the old dude.
The old Batman TV show Batmobile here. Holy fuck.
He's the coolest.
Look at that
really
Piper with an
genuine
injured
guy
arm
right
and
there.
all. Coming to meet the fans despite an injured arm. Roddy Piper's the fucking man. Classy guy.
Class act all the way, dude.
Class act. You gotta love Hot Rod. If you ever get a chance to meet him, do it. He's the
Talk to you
man.
about anything.
He will.
Personal guy. Awesome guy.
Hey, look at that. I forgot all about Freddy Krueger back there. God damn. This is the place to be today, huh?
Pretty busy around here, man.
Jesus.
Popping, man.
Wow, $60 for Freddy. This looks like something the Cinestalker would stock up on here, huh?
Look at this right
Look at that Chucky there. It's $75.
hair going. Look at his hair.
That is
kinda
fucking
weird, huh?
cool.
Little Hercules.
Oh my
TV
God,
show.
Hercules: The
Remember that
Legendary
show?
Journeys.
Warrior
Jesus
Princess
Christ.
stuff?
What next? Xena Warrior Princess, like you
There
said?
might be something, dude. Who knows, man? Look at the old cups, dude.
Oh wow. I mean, I'm not the biggest McDonald's fan, but holy shit, you got everything here. You got the
Oh
old
my
toys
God,
still in
you've got
packaging.
the old cups right there, McDonald's action, like toys, and they're still in the old packaging, like it's like dusty packaging.
Danny,
Whoa.
I'm very disappointed in you, man.
Yeah, what happened?
Where's your Hamburglar mask?
I should have worn it.
God damn, who would have
next
known there was a
time-
McDonald's themed
Next
shit
time we'll
around
totally
here?
do it. I think I should get the old cardboard thing.
Oh my God, you want a Happy Meal? Shit.
That's old school, dude.
Holy crap.
Stuff, dude. I never.
Hey, wow, it's the Snake Plissken figures that you were
Yeah.
collecting a while
Right
back.
there, I got those two right there.
Damn.
These are pretty cool though, like
Creature from the Black Lagoon and everything.
pinhead right there.
Oh, dude,
Isn't that sick?
fucking
I
hell.
love it because you got the cool like.
And it comes with the box.
Oh, it does. Look at that.
That's cool. Oh, Hulkster rules, brother.
That is cool, man.
Wow, we got some Jurassic Park. Look at that, the Lost World.
Oh, dude, that's sick, man.
Damn.
Man. I remember these. I had some of these things, these weird like with the letters on them. I had a couple of these. I don't know
Oh,
what they
did you?
are.
I never had
I don't know what
those.
they even are, but I had a couple of them.
What
I
next?
don't know what it is.
Are we gonna find Tiger handheld games next?
Oh, this is possible.
This is like a 90s nostalgia. Oh, look at this.
Oh, get the Nintendo. Oh, dude.
Dude.
There we go.
Holy shit. Did you ever have
It's called
that?
Rob. Yeah, I've never
Oh
had
my
Rob. I was
God.
too young to get Rob.
Yeah, I never had that. All I had was the NES right there.
Look at that shit, dude. Oh, look at behind you. You're gonna shit your pants. It's the Ghostbuster house.
Oh, whoa.
Right there. I still have my Ghostbuster house.
You still have yours?
I still
Damn.
have the box, dude, for it. I still got the fucking box. Wow.
Shredder.
Yeah. Crane.
God damn.
There's a lot of toy booth like things.
There's
here.
all kinds of toys at Frankenstein's
so many,
Collectibles.
like, before, you know?
And we got the old Spider-Man toys and stuff in here. Holy shit. Holy crap. I never had one of these before, but oh, wow.
Oh, man.
Vintage. You got the Natural Disasters and the Legion of Doom. I remember that feud when I was a kid.
Is this a animal right there?
Oh, yeah. Look at that. You got the Road Warriors there. Wow.
Yeah, dude. This is cool, man.
This is just ridiculous. Axe and Smash Demolition. Yeah.
Ah, so cool, man.
Wow.
Totally forgot about those.
I love Double Dragon. I used to watch this cartoon all the time.
Man, I forgot about these toys. I
Holy
totally
shit. Oh, wow. What you got there?
You were pointing out earlier.
This is Sting. I have that old action figure. Look at that. It's got the belt there. I lost my belt back in the day.
Man, it's cool. 20 bucks.
Oh, man. Look at this. All these old
Hulk
Hasbro figures. I have all these.
Weren't these the best
damn.
back when? Weren't these so fun?
Used to copy matches left and right.
We're gonna get some thumb wrestlers now. Get some of those and be all
Yeah.
set.
Oh, wow. You were pointing this out, Rambo.
Oh, dude.
3 for $5 at the time, now going for 35 bucks. Hey,
I've never seen it before.
that is one huge commando figure there.
Now,
Holy
these little
shit.
frog things, they look familiar. Like these little.
I don't recognize those.
They look familiar to me. Like I think I've seen it before.
Jesus.
So got like the little Thundercats.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, how's it go?
I couldn't help it. A habit.
That's perfect. I love that.
Damn.
You got it on point.
Holy
Ryan.
shit. I am digging the baseball history here with these cards.
Dennis Eckersley.
Heck. You got Roberto Clemente right here. Holy shit, dude.
There's a lot, man. You don't see these all the time. Look, old Willie Mays.
Say hey kid, yeah.
Mickey Mantle.
Henry
Ernie Banks.
Damn.
Whoa. Yeah, Hank Aaron, Hammer and Hank Aaron. Yogi Berra.
Okay, you got Hammer and Hank there in his Milwaukee Braves.
Wow,
Oh
dude.
my
These are
God.
awesome, right? Reggie Jackson. Did you have a lot of baseball cards when you were growing up? Did you get those out? Or?
I had a decent amount, yeah.
Nice.
Now, as much as I hate the Dodgers, I can't help but just look at all this right here. Sandy
Old Jim
Koufax.
Plunkett right there.
Wow, Duke Snyder.
Terry Bradshaw.
Holy crap, look at all this.
Archie Manning.
Oh, jeez. Wow, we got Johnny Unitas right here. Damn.
Oh, Bobby Orr with the
Larry Zonka.
Bruins right there. Wow.
Holy hell, a Walter Johnson rookie card? Dude, that's
is
baseball
amazing.
history right there. Fuck yeah. God
Those
damn.
cards back when they came, like I think in cigarette packs. and
It looks
stuff.
like it,
They
yeah.
came in those little old packs.
I can't get over all these old baseball
Wow.
cards. Damn.
Oh, the old card, the rookie card, Lou Alcindor.
Oh, shit.
Abdul-Jabbar.
Going for
Wow, you never
$150.
realized.
Wow.
That's insane.
That is just stupidly ridiculous. Oh, Carl's Yastrzemski rookie card.
Wow, dude. Check this out, I got Bird, Irving, Johnson on there.
Wow. Got Mickey Mantle rookie card here.
Oh, wow,
Damn.
4,500, that's amazing.
God, I wish I was a millionaire. Holy shit, we found a DVD booth.
We did, dude.
I love it.
I can't believe we did it.
Now tell me what we're gonna see in here next.
Yeah.
Out of print.
I haven't seen one in person, so I mean, it's like probably the only time I'll see one in person.
That is just ridiculous.
I don't think they had them in stores. I think it just was like you had to order it or something, I think.
Then you got all the usual collections in here.
All the horror right there.
Oh, horror
pretty good
everywhere.
amount, like
Woo.
old school tins.
Damn.
That's awesome, man.
Love it. Twilight Zone.
Yeah, that's a classic, dude.
Wow, we got a rare Puppet Master action figure here. Look at that Tunneler. Damn, you don't see Puppet Master toys anymore.
Everybody used to have them at Suncoast and stuff back when. Not anymore.
Jeez. Mars Attacks.
Oh, look at this thing.
Oh man. Just left Frankenstein's Nuke the Fridge Con 2014. What a surprise. Wouldn't you say so?
Ah, dude, it was fun, man.
It was fun.
A lot better than I thought.
Hell yeah, a lot better than we thought. Parking was a pain in the ass, but it was cool.
Yeah.
Laid back and chill, and now hoarding up updates.
Oh.
Sorry about Comikaze. I made it there. Had the camera, but I didn't have the fucking battery in the camera.
Oh yeah,
Because
that's
of
what
the
it was.
charger at home.
Oh.
Holy shit. But I did bring the stuff that I bought there. So
nice
I'm
of
gonna
you.
show you my Kamikaze stuff
Okay.
first. You ready?
Let's do it.
All right, first of all, I went to the room
we got the
booth.
bag, dude.
Woo,
the Shout Factory bag.
I went to the room booth, and I don't know why I bought this.
Oh, that's cool, man.
Cheesy as all fucking hell, but
That's cool. I didn't even know you even had that.
Yeah,
That's
oh,
cool.
It's only $10. I figured why not.
That's killer, man. I like that.
You're tearing me apart, Lisa. That did not.
Oh, yeah, look, I got the sayings right there, huh?
Yep.
Oh, look at that.
So I haven't even opened this thing yet,
wow.
but
Luna would like that.
she would. Yeah, I can't even push the button without it. Like
oh, it talks there. That's right. Yeah, it talks. Yeah, that's so cool.
bobblehead and everything.
That's killer, man. That's fun.
And he's gonna be in Samurai Cop 2, or at least he's supposed
That's
to.
right, he is, huh?
We'll find out.
Oh, hell yeah.
So we got that,
Okay.
and then I stopped by the Troma booth.
Uh-huh. Oh.
I bought this DVD, LA Maniac.
Yeah, I heard about that. How is it? Did you? Oh, you didn't.
I haven't watched it yet though. Lloyd Kaufman signed it, and it looks gory as hell. Look at that shit.
Oh, it looks awesome, man.
And I guess the director was there on the Saturday when you guys went. God,
Oh, he was there, huh?
I'm never gonna fucking go on a day that the crew.
You won't do that
doesn't
again?
go.
Oh,
Never
good,
again.
good, good. You gotta go with the crew,
Fucking
huh?
learn my
We're gonna
lesson.
party with the crew, dude.
Got to party with the crew, and yeah, that was stupid on
Yeah,
my
it
part.
happens.
What
It's
the fuck
okay.
was I
It
thinking?
happens. You know, scheduling things. It happens.
More Troma. Are you shocked?
Trauma? No way. Are you serious?
Lloyd
Oh,
Kaufman
sugar
wrote
cookies.
this, Sugar Cookies. Lynn Lowry, Mary Warrenoff, and it was produced by a line producer, I think he was.
Whoa.
Oliver Stone
For real?
produced on
Wow.
that thing way back in the day.
Interesting. Interesting.
Pretty much it's Lloyd
Wow.
Kaufman's.
I've never seen that before.
Yeah, it's from the 70s. Lloyd Kaufman pretty much took Vertigo and he turned it around and made the main protagonist lesbians.
Oh, interesting. I like that.
And I
I like
asked
that.
him, hey, was that the movie that led you to working on Silent Night, Bloody Night? And it was.
Oh, shit.
One more Troma autograph.
Oh, whoa. What's this?
Yeah, Troma's Edge TV Volume 2.
Oh, wow.
Hilarious shit. It's got the debut episode, the race episode,
Like little
all
skits
kinds
and
of
stuff.
shit.
I've never seen it
Yeah,
before.
little skits. It's, I think aired in the UK if I'm not mistaken.
Oh, whoa.
It's
That's
funny
really
as
cool.
hell.
Was it made like in the 90s or something? Or?
No, early 2000s.
Oh, okay.
I don't even see the date on here. But oh yeah, look at that. It was on Channel 4 in the UK when it
Whoa.
aired. Holy shit.
Interesting, man. I never even heard of that show.
It's funny shit.
Cool.
And then, that's not all.
Oh, wow.
I got that autograph for free from Eric
Oh,
Roberts.
yeah, that's right. You did that. I should have done that, man. I didn't know it was for free.
I didn't either until I got it signed.
Yeah, that was awesome right there, man.
But this movie, Nature of the Beast, great thriller.
Oh,
Check
sick.
it out if you haven't seen it.
Was
Pretty much.
that like early 2000s movie?
It was
Or
in the early 90s.
Early 90s.
Same director as Clown House, same director as Jeepers
Oh, is it?
Creepers.
Oh, wow.
Victor
Okay,
Silva.
I gotta watch that then. I gotta watch this.
a
Looks
great
good.
film.
Lance Henriksen's in it too.
Yeah, you got Lance
Oh,
Henriksen
fuck.
and Eric Roberts. One of them robbed a casino of money. One of them is a killer.
Oh.
And it's you got to figure out who is who as the movie goes on.
You're not
It's
really
fun.
sure who's who.
Nope.
Okay, I like
It's a
that.
fun film.
I gotta get that one.
And do you think I stopped by the Full Moon booth?
No, he didn't. I don't think he did. He must. Yeah, he did. Yeah.
Oh shit!
I'm
I had
saying
to.
this. Yeah, I know you did.
Couple soundtracks.
Oh yeah, dude. Check that out.
Channels.
I know you got that for me too, man.
Hell
Thank you,
yeah.
because I totally didn't see it there, and I was like,
my
oh
God.
shit.
Look at that, 30 tracks right
Oh,
there.
that's a
I
good
love
one.
this soundtrack.
Psychotic Symphony.
Yeah, Psychotic Symphony.
I said it right this time. Last video I said it wrong. I said psychotic or something.
Right? And Tourist Trap soundtrack.
Oh, yeah, dude.
Oh shit.
Great movie.
This one's got 25 tracks on it.
Yeah, wasn't that a little bit ago with those intros with like the orgy sound? Whatever that's going on right
Oh
there.
god, that was gnarly shit.
Great stuff
And
though.
ironically, Ted Nicolau was involved in both of these films.
Oh wow.
Director for
That's
Bad
right, he
Channels,
was. That's
and
right,
he,
yeah.
worked in the sound department, I think.
That's
for
right.
Tourist Trap back in the day.
They weren't bad. They're like I think $10 a pop or something.
Yeah,
Really
not
good
bad at
deal.
all. Evil Bong will be on CD next by then,
Yeah.
as well as another title that I can't think
Yeah.
of off the top of my head.
On the Full Moon side, if people want to get them, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
Oh. Okay, I lost. I'm not gonna even try to think about
Oh,
it.
it's okay. It's all good.
And then
Oh
I
man.
also went to Blackout.
Oh, that's right. You did go to
Oh,
Blackout. That's right. I forgot
Big
about
shout
that.
out to a good friend of mine, Paige. Holy shit, you introduced me to something really gnarly.
Yeah, I heard the
Something-
story, dude. It was
Something definitely memorable. God, if you like extreme haunted houses, something different, I mean, just take a chance, sign that waiver, go through it, and you never know what'll happen. But
Yeah.
big thank
I
you,
gotta do it.
Paige. That was fucking awesome.
Mhm.
Really, really cool time.
That sounded amazing when you went to. I was like, whoa.
Oh, fuck.
What'd you call it? What was the experience like for you? It was sort of like a.
It was like surviving an exploitation
Yeah.
film or a neurotic horror film.
all the crazy stuff that happened to you. I was like,
A lot
wow.
of crazy shit. And
Yeah.
now, speaking of crazy shit, it's time to show what I got at Frank & Sons Collectibles.
Let's do it.
Oh.
I forgot about that, man. Oh, we got the other bag.
Got the other bag.
We got the original bag.
Jesus Christ.
This bag has been everywhere.
This has been everywhere. And
That's
I
the one.
How to take it here today?
Gotta do it. Get some good stuff, man.
I did, and the first thing I got, let's pull it on out here, if I ever can.
It's okay. It's a lot of stuff. Look
Oh.
at that. Oof.
Got a Nightmare on Elm Street 3, the Dream
Oh
Warriors.
yeah, dude, check out that. Dude, I think it's just covered in signatures.
I already had that signed by Heather Langenkamp
Yeah.
at my first horror convention ever.
Oh, was it?
Yeah, that was pretty
wow.
cool. She put 3, 4, you know, Better Lock Your Door. She signed
Yeah.
the first one with 1, 2, Freddy's Coming For You.
Oh,
so that's
cool,
why.
man. Oh, that's awesome.
And then I got Kincaid,
Look at that.
Ken Sagos, and Ian there.
Look
It
at
was
that,
the
dude.
Wizard Master.
Yeah, that's
Will.
cool. That was awesome.
Best sequel.
Good picture of it too on Facebook.
Yeah,
Yeah,
check
good.
that one
Yeah,
out.
that was funny.
You ready to go in your house?
We're gonna go in 90s, brother. Attitude
90s.
era.
Best of in
Oh,
your
I
house.
love that.
Oh.
See what he said, dude.
And as Kevin Nash told us, this was hardcore before it was hardcore.
That's right, dude. It was. No, it was cool, man. That match was I love that match so much, dude. I got that on pay-per-view, recorded it when I was a kid.
Good
Love
friends,
that
better
match.
enemies.
Oh.
That match is phenomenal.
Fucking
Shawn Michaels,
classic,
Big
dude,
Daddy
with the
Diesel.
fake leg.
Yeah.
What's the guy's the Vashon?
Yeah.
Took a
Vashon
yeah.
there.
Took the
Oh my God.
Classic, dude.
Classic. And speaking of more classics,
Nash was so cool.
Nash was chill as fuck.
Just like, man, awesome.
I think every one of
They
them.
all were great. They all were,
chill.
yeah. Oh, look at this. Oh,
Look at
dude.
that. Razor Ramon
Oh,
and the 1, 2, 3 kid.
Oh, the bad guy and the 1, 2, 3 kid, man. Oh.
And I think X-Pac even signed.
He signed two. Get two signatures from him, right?
Yeah, I was surprised. Look at that. He even signed the disc on
Oh,
there.
yeah, because he has like him and was it Marty Jannetty?
Marty Jannetty.
That's a. Everybody said that's a random pick. Everybody said that.
Yeah, we were like, what the hell? Why didn't you include like a pic with him and Razor Ramon? with
That's
our
the
famous
one, dude.
Upset match. That's
That
why
was
I got this
one
thing
of the
signed.
Yep,
man.
one of the famous upsets of all time.
Yeah.
I remember watching that too when I was a kid.
Oh man, geeking out. I was shocked as all
Oh,
fucking
you
hell.
know, it was a 1, 2, 3 kid. You know, it was kind of new,
Right.
and then beat Razor Ramon.
The moonsault out of nowhere.
Yeah, it was shocking.
And last but not least, the rise and fall of WCW signed
Oh, yeah.
by.
Oh, there he is.
Bischoff himself,
Yeah, Eric
the old
Bischoff.
head honcho.
The boss at the time, right there, dude.
Boss at the time, and now sheesh, doing whatever it is he's doing on the convention circuit.
Yeah.
Going.
I don't know what he does now. He does. I don't know what he's into.
He's got his own show. If
Like
I'm not
produce? Is
mistaken.
he a producer or
Yeah,
something?
I don't remember the name of it. I'd have to look it up.
I'm not sure, but he's
I'll be
doing
honest.
something. But it's
But,
nuts to see Eric Bischoff there. Was like from back when. He was like as big as McMahon, you know, back when with the WCW.
was,
and he's there now.
I'll tell you what, those NWO guys were chill as fuck.
That was a great talking to those guys.
Oh,
Those guys are so
man.
cool, man. It brought back memories from like when you were in the 90s.
It did. And now there's some more hoarding up, I think that happened, but I think you're gonna have to stay tuned for the Cinestalkers channel for that.
Oh yeah, I got a couple. Like only got I got a couple things. Show some stuff at
things,
the
huh?
end of my video, and I'll show something a little bit.
Hell yeah. But that was pretty much the convention today.
It
Frank
was
and
fun.
Son.
Good time,
Oh,
man. It was
fun.
a fun time. If you're out in the area, check it out. It's free admission.
Free admission. Parking can be a pain in the ass.
Yeah, yeah.
Word of advice, just park in the residential areas down the way.
residential areas. Park up there. It's like a little 10-minute walk or 15 tops.
Yeah.
Park there. Don't worry about getting your car towed and stuff like that. It's a lot safer.
That's true.
Stress-free. It was
Stay
fun
the
though. Good
fucking
convention. You can have like snacks there for like $1, like sodas. We got those earlier.
Oh, yeah.
Little cheap snacks. Lots of here. The toys, retro toys. Go here. Tons of retro toys. Autographed
Retro
things.
candy, food. What the
It
fuck,
was like going
man?
back in time.
It was.
So now we're just gonna go get some grub, huh?
Gonna go ahead and get some grub, and all I can say is if you like this video, give it a thumbs up.
How you know it, dude?
Woo.
Thumbs up,
And
subscribe.
subscribe to my
Rage
channel.
Duncan
Woo.
right here.
Subscribe to Cinestalker's channel too if you haven't.
Yeah.
We also both have Twitter,
We do.
Facebook. He's got Instagram.
Instagram, we're on all these little social media
Shit,
things,
man.
doing pictures, saying
Pictures,
stuff,
everything.
upcoming events that are coming around town that you guys know.
Also
You guys
look
heads
out
up on
for
things.
movies because this guy, you know, he gets his little part in extras movies.
Yeah, the little bit parts.
Little bit
and,
parts.
He will too
That's
soon.
some, yeah.
Yeah, so that's coming. Yeah, we got some little things.
That'll be to be announced, I guess you could say. Huh?
That's right.
Woo. So anyway, we'll catch you next time.